That was an absolutely awesome day. Good morning from Sydney. It's another beautiful day, and today we're going to see one of Australia's favourite animals. We're heading to a koala sanctuary. There's a few other animals whilst we're there as well, which should be really cool. But to get there, we need to get on one bus, one train, and another bus. So it's going to be a long journey. Jordan has been wanting to see a koala for I don't know how long. So if she gets to see one today, she's going to be happy.
I'm so excited to see some koalas. We did go to Taronga Zoo in a previous vlog and we did see some koalas, but it's very hard to see them because they're in the trees. But here we can do like an experience with them and hopefully have our pictures taken with them. What I wanted to do was cuddle a koala, but actually it's illegal in New South Wales to pick them up. But you can do it around in different places in Australia. So.
She loves pressing the button.
One down, two to go.
Next stop, Cat Hills.
He's so cute. We're allowed to go into the enclosure and have photos with the koalas, but you're not allowed to touch them in New South Wales. It's illegal. So.
You see?
They were so cute. I really wanted to touch it, but I didn't. They are so cute.
That was absolutely amazing. The talk beforehand, there was so much information about koalas, and honestly, being able to get that close to them was awesome. It's a lot better than what I expected. So I am a happy Jason today, right now. So we're both absolutely starving, so we've come to the cafe here. I've just gone for a burger and chips, and Jordan has gone for, drum roll please, a ham and cheese toasty. Who would have thought?
This reminds me of 7-Eleven. Not as cheesy as 7-Eleven.
So this burger turns out to be quite massive actually. Oh god, look at that.
Lots of stuff in there.
Yeah, there's loads. Looks like there might be beetroot, which I've never had before in a burger. Oh, it's really nice.
It's a pelican.
We've
Look
seen
at that
two
beak.
this week.
Yeah.
We're going to go for a little walk. So let's go this way. Come on then. Come on then. Yep. Come on. That's a good little pony, that is. Very good Shetland pony. Come on. Come on. That's it. Well done. You're good. Oh, okay, aren't you? Alright.
Here, we did a roll twist in that bird.
I apologise, I'm going to have to leave you now. Okay?
그런 건 영상 찍어야 돼.
So now we get to feed some kangaroos.
It's the first time being up close to a kangaroo. Oh, he's got some there, he doesn't want it. You are gorgeous. Oop.
So we're both a little bit thirsty, and I thought I'll get a drink. Jordan said she didn't want one, but she'll have a bit of mine. So, raspberry lemonade.
Wow.
And I got a present as well. It's not a Freddo, it's a koala.
He's melting already. Oh, I've got caramel in it.
So Jordan is one of the nicest people I've ever met, especially towards animals. So I was a little bit unsure whether she was going to eat that or not. I thought she might be a bit conflicted, but surprisingly she went for the head first. So that koala is dead.
Tasty though.
Very surprising. That was an absolutely awesome day. They had a lot more than we were expecting. I thought I'd rattle off some facts about the koalas that we learnt today. Number one, they sleep for 20 hours a day, and the other 4 hours they hunt for food. They normally don't have to go too far because the only thing they eat is eucalyptus trees, and out of 400 varieties they only eat 80 types of eucalyptus trees. So they're really picky eaters, and they only eat what they like. They do also have 2 thumbs to help grip onto the trees as well. And because they're sat on their bums pretty much all day, they have really, really hard bottoms. When they're sat down, it's nice and comfortable for them. The babies are called joeys, which I thought was a kangaroo, but you know, what do I know? And also, when they give birth, because they're marsupials, they give birth to tiny little living things, this big, and they will climb into the pouch of the koala, and they will stay in its mother's pouch for 6 months before it comes out. A few facts about koalas for you. Our day is now over. We hope you enjoyed the vlog. We've got to get our 3 buses and trams back now, and we will see you tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out.